My name is Matt Brice, Product Sales Manager at Comstar Supply. Today we're going to unbox the new Commscope Mini-OTE 300 closure. Access terminals are becoming ever present in fiber to the home installations, and one solution rarely fits all. That is what the OTE closure portfolio is designed to solve. And the Mini-OTE 300 is available in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 port configurations, using both the hardened full-size connectors, also known as the OPTI tip, as well as the Commscope patented DLX miniaturized hardened connector. Both are IP67 rated for extreme environmental conditions. A simple can wrench is all you need to secure the closure. These brackets help maintain the seal using Commscope's patented gel seal technology. You can configure the Mini-OTE as a butt or inline enclosure. Inside you'll see the pigtails routed to the access side of the terminal. Inside you have up to 3 splice trays, including a slack storage tray. This is where your cable attachments will be done using the supplied hardware. The closures also come with port plugs to seal unused ports, as well as additional grommets for various cable types. As with any access terminal, there are several mounting options, including pole mount, strand mount, pedestal, and handhole mounting options. What separates the Mini-OTE from the competition is its versatility in utilizing passive optical filters and splitters. With the trays, you can combine a 1x2, 1x4, or 1x8 PLC splitter, or field installable compact CWDM modules. Up to 8 channels are available to use for that application, which not only makes this an appropriate product for fiber to the home installations, it can now be used for small metro business applications as well. That has been your unboxing introduction to the new Commscope Mini-OTE 300. For ordering information or more details on this product, please contact us at Comstar Supply.